Welcome back to the School of Soul, the social series. I'm ADELINE Atlas, and today we're talking about one of the smartest moves you can make to scale fast without constantly launching new products: offer stacking. Offer stacking is about increasing revenue per buyer instead of just chasing more buyers. Most entrepreneurs think the only way to scale is by growing their audience. But if you're already getting traffic, even a small, loyal audience, you can multiply your income by improving how much each person spends. That's what offer stacking does. Let's break this down from the ground up. What is an offer stack? An offer stack is a strategically layered set of products, services, or bonuses that you present together in a single sales flow. It's not about overwhelming the buyer. It's about creating a seamless value path, where each piece feels like a natural next step, deepening the transformation, making implementation faster, or adding more done-for-you support. You're stacking offers that solve the same core problem at deeper levels, not stacking random things. You want alignment, not clutter. Why offer stacking works? There are 3 reasons offer stacks work so well. 1. Psychology. Buyers are already in decision-making mode. When you present them with a relevant upgrade or bundle, their brain says, "I'm already buying. Might as well go all in." 2. Perceived value. Stacks make your offer feel more premium. You're no longer selling a product. You're selling a package, an ecosystem, a solution. 3. Cart value. A single buyer can now spend $127, $297, or even $597 instead of $27, with the same traffic and same funnel. This is how you create cash injections without needing a bigger list or going into launch mode every month. Types of offer stacks, with examples. Let's talk real structures. There are 3 primary types of stacks you can use. 1. Bundled offer stack. This is the classic buy it all together and save model. You combine related offers into one package and price it as a bundle. Example: $97 mini course on content batching, 47 caption templates, 27 content calendar. Individually, that's $171, but you stack them together for $127 and throw in a fast action bonus, maybe a content audit or private training. Now it feels like a premium experience with built-in savings, and you increase your average cart value on the spot. Use this model for cash injections, mini launches, or seasonal promotions. 2. Sequential offer stack, funnel-based. This is the most common in digital marketing. One product leads to the next during the buying process. Example: front-end $27 offer. Thank you page offers $97 upsell. Post-purchase email offers $297 implementation kit or membership trial. Each offer solves a deeper layer of the same problem. The first gives them the starting tools. The second gives them the framework. The third gives them long-term support. This stack is perfect for automated funnels or evergreen offers. 3. Tiered offer stack. This is when you present 3 pricing levels at once, typically in a pricing table. Example: Basic, $97, core training only. Pro, $297, training plus workbook plus templates. VIP, $597, all of the above plus private coaching or audit. Most people will default to the middle tier, but the top tier is often your biggest profit margin. This model is ideal for program launches or application-based services. How to structure a high-converting offer.